Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to learn how to delete tags in the Evernote app. So let's start. So since you have downloaded the Evernote app, you just have to launch it. I will launch it. Okay. After launching it, here you can see the home section, which is the basic user interface. Now, in order to delete a tag, you need to find where is it. So first, click on these bottom left three dots and lines. Click on that. After opening that, you will see basic options like home, shortcuts, notes, task, offline. And here you can see notebooks and tags. So by clicking on this arrow, you can open any tag or you can see. Now here you can see I have a tag with the name dad. Now what I need to do is click on this tag option. After clicking on this tag option, here you can see the available tags that I have entered. Now there are two ways to delete the tag. First of all, you can delete the tag by clicking on the right top corner three dots. Okay, here you can see edit tags, and now you can click on this dot which will show to rename the tag, remove tag from all notes, or delete tag. Now okay, this is the first way. Then the second way is the same. Swipe this, and when you will swipe this, you will see these three dots, same option appears. Now just click on the delete tag option. It will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this tag? This tag will be removed from all notes. Okay, I want to delete this tag. Just click on delete, confirm, and now the tag has been deleted and I have no new tags. So this was how to delete tags in the Evernote. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.